Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video I will show you in this Winda CAD. So this video show in DXF file and role file solution. So today we will discuss how to do this with this software Winda CAD. So this pattern, my folder pattern open. My pattern already grading done, so this pattern totally finished, no swing allowance, just DXF format easily. So this pattern already grading done, so follow my video, continues the video, no skip. My folder DXF folder, so this WES software, so just open WDS program opens, WDS program open, then pattern location, my pattern desktop location, so desktop click, so this folder location, this folder DXF file, so just open. So this pattern just click then open. So my pattern open, just click then open. So my pattern, so show in this pattern all grading show in pattern. So just aama format in this DXF, so DXF aama format, no WDS, just aama format, any style name, so change the style name, so accurate style name, then okay. So all size, so this all pattern, so all grading point in this mark, so just okay. So my DXF format done, so DXF format already done. So this look me DXF format, then number 2 role file, number 3 my pattern, so my pattern delete, this DXF pattern open, just open, look maybe my video, so follow my video, no skip, just open this software WES, just click aama format, just aama format, open this location, my folder already count, so open this DXF pattern, no role file, click, just DXF pattern click, then open. So open all size grading, so that's just okay. My DXF pattern already open done, so next save program, just save program WDS program, so WDS program, just click, no aama program, just WDS program click, then style name, so save location, my folder any style name, no problem. So this pattern, this is style, just done. So my pattern already open, DXF pattern already open, show in folder. So this pattern, my software open, just click DXF pattern, just open. So guys, clear this video. So subscribe now my channel. Anytime latest video uploading, so notification give auto. Bye bye, tata.